Now that you've purchased a Markforged composite or metal 3D printer, you should create an Eiger organization. For some of you, this won't be your first Markforged printer, in which case you already have an Eiger organization. But for the rest of you, this will be your first time. To clarify, Eiger is a slicing software at its core. A slicer is the middleman software that communicates between your CAD package and your 3D printer. Unlike slicers available for other 3D printers, Eiger is also a cloud-based digital folder and file management system. By inviting other users in your company, your Eiger organization grows, and soon you'll have hundreds of 3D printable files at your disposal. Now, before we get started, everything you are about to see in the rest of this video needs to be completed for both online and offline versions of Eiger. For those with offline Eiger, the only skippable section is where I show how to add users. To create an Eiger organization, first open your internet browser, preferably Google Chrome, and type eiger.io in the address bar. Click Sign Up at the bottom and begin entering your personal information. For the organization name, most customers use their company's name. Click Sign Up and you will receive an email momentarily to finish the sign up process. Your Eiger organization has now been set up. If your printer has been delivered, you can register it to your Eiger organization. First, log into Eiger and proceed to Devices in the left pane. Select Register Device in the upper right and a window appears. Name the device whatever you like, but I recommend a naming convention that at least includes the type of printer you have. Then enter the 32-digit device ID. This can be found on the 8.5 by 11-inch placard taped to the printer's visor or on the label located above the power port at the back of the printer. The 8-digit access key is also located here. Click Register Device, and now you're done. Note that this process is also followed if you have offline Eiger. We'll get into this process momentarily. To grant other users access to your Eiger organization, you must be an admin or an owner. Go to Organization Settings under the three-line menu in the top right, and then Users under the Role-Based Access Control or RBAC dropdown. Create New User is located in the upper right. When you click on this, you'll be able to enter their email address and name. They will receive an Eiger invitation in their email that will guide them through the remainder of the sign-up process. For users who purchased an on-prem tier package for offline Eiger access, Eiger organization setup and printer registration are the exact same as for online Eiger users. Online Eiger is where you will download offline Eiger. First, go to Account Settings under the three-line menu in the top right. Click on Downloads on the left pane, and you should see 3 downloads under Software. Those are Offline Eiger, LAN Connector, and the offline license. For users who are not interested in remote printing on a LAN connection, you can ignore the LAN Connector download and just download Offline Eiger and its corresponding license. Import the .mf license file from the license download into the Activate License window of the Offline Eiger download wizard. You now have access to Offline Eiger.